Hi, this is Tarek and welcome to Jotbot YouTube channel. And last video we have created our virtual computer inside our virtual box. In this lecture we will install our operating system inside this virtual computer. So for installing operating system, first we need to download our operating system. To download operating system we need to go our main browser. Now we will search for Kali Linux, and this is our main browser. And this is our link. We'll go to this link. This is, as you can see, www.kali.org. My internet is a little bit slow, and from here need to go download menu and download Kali Linux. Download Kali Linux. Okay, now here we can see there are a lot of version of Kali Linux. We'll download this Kali Linux. It is a 64-bit installer, and as you can see, there are live operating system. It is a net installer. It's an installer. This is a live for 32-bit. This is a net installer, but we are not interested about this. We are interested only about this version. So to download, just click on this. And it will show a pop-up menu, and this is just like this is a save menu or download button, you can say. Just save file, and if you click OK, then download will be started like this. But I'm not going to download this right now because I have already downloaded this operating system. After completing your download, just check your download folder like this. As you can see, I have already downloaded this operating system here, and now I'm going to my virtual box. Here, this is my virtual computer. Just to open this computer, you click on this and start. And from here we need to select our operating system file. Click on and add to download, and okay, this one, open. Where, yeah, this one. Okay, then choose start. And graphical install, a lot of option we have. We'll select graphical install. Language, yeah, I like English, United States. So configure the keyboard is American English. Actually it will take a little bit time, and I'll pause this video. Okay, here I need to select my host name. I'm going to select it as usual, Kali, no problem. I'm going to continue. So domain name, it will by default it will be localhost, but if you want you can change. So I'm not wondering to change it. Just continue. So full name for the new user. So I'm going to create a my name. So let's say .bot. Continue. Okay, username for your account. Okay, it's a .bot. So through this username I need to log in on system. So password 12345 12345. So password in clear, you can say I have inputted 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make sure that you have inputted the same password. Okay, continue. Eastern clock. Continue. Okay guys, it use enter disk. Okay, continue. Okay, continue. Okay, finish. Continue. Yes, continue. Now it will take a few minutes. For now I'm going to pause this video again. So here we got a beautiful interface here. Here we need to give our username, and our username was .bot. My password was 123.5. Login. It will take a few seconds, I think. Now it is opening. Oh yeah, you can see it has opened. Okay, now the number thing here as is totally changed. I didn't use ever yet ColorX 2020 2020.2 version. Okay, wow, what a beautiful interface. It is like quite Windows. Okay, so now this is our virtual computer. Okay, so if you want to resize this, but as you can see it cannot be resized. Okay, so if you want to resize this, you need to go view and scale mode. Okay, switch. Now you can resize this as you want according to your wish. Okay, so today's video from this. Okay, so bye bye, see you next lecture.